Hello, Irvin. Hi, how are you?
Good morning, teacher. I'm
Good
very good.
morning.
And you?
Excellent. I am okay, thank you. Um, I understand that you already finished the test, right, Irvin?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, tell me.
It's the same problem uh, on the two sentences and the negatives.
Yes, and I have your answer. In the third one, I think it it has called to Peter. In two, um, it's a mistake. So your sentence, the structure, it's okay, but you maybe try to avoid two, because in the problem is in the sentence, and because you copy the sentence as it was written, you you have the same problem. So maybe delete the word to, the connector to.
Okay, okay.
And the second, the one that it's first, I haven't had an answer yet, but mm, try to fix that one, and if that can, like, allow you to pass to the other, or to pass, just to pass the exercise, it's good, right? Because you can finish, you can complete the I know, maybe I know what's the problem with that. We don't say some shoes, we say a pair of shoes. Try with that one, please. A pair of shoes. Maybe
Okay.
I am just supposing. I am not completely sure, but maybe that's the problem. And let me see. Hello, Raquel. Are you here
Hello.
with us?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, did you finish or haven't taken the test? Okay.
No,
No. Okay, because now it's time to take the test. If you already did it, like Irvin, I am going to take you a verbal test, because we need another verbal test for this print 3, because the last one was for print 2. Okay.
Okay.
So Raquel, you can start your quiz. If you have any question, just tell me. And when you finish, I am going to ask you some questions, okay? To take you the verbal test. And Irvin, just try to fix the problem of the platform, and after that, please let me know, because I am going to ask you the verbal test. Got it?
Got it, teacher.
Okay, excellent.
Okay, teacher, I finished the exercise and my score was 88.
8. Can you type
Yes.
it, please? So did you pass it, right?
Yeah, but I have a problem.
You can also share your screen if you need.
Yeah, because is this um exercise because the file
The file again? Oh,
I
I thought that
yes
they fix it. I think
is only that.
please let me know. Give me the number of the file of the exercise, please.
Is 1.1.7 there is the listening.
Okay, fine. I cannot do it. And I am as an instructor, so I don't know. I will take a
Yeah, because
screenshot.
all course is correct.
Okay, and what about if you try to do it one like try to repeat to try to do it in the correct way, but without hearing, because it took a lot of time and they don't fix it. So maybe we can, like, by logic, try to fill
Yeah,
it.
I
Mhm.
tried. Hey, teacher.
You will try, or you already tried?
I try in this moment.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I am going to send the link again. And if they don't fix it, I will share with you the I will try to do it also, and if we cannot, I will try to I will send you the screenshot to put it on the order, in the correct order, to be able to pass to complete the platform.
Okay, teacher.
Mhm.
No, teacher. I did with different forms, but
Yes, I am trying also. Just give me one like maybe 3 minutes. I will try again, and if not, ni more.
okay.
Okay, I couldn't do it, so maybe we have to just wait for them.
Yes, I complete.
You completed.
Yes.
Okay, tell me, please.
Uh, Way I share the
Oh,
screenshot.
okay, okay, okay.
I completed the course. uh, it was the correct answers.
But I did it in that way. Give me a second. I will try again because I did it in that way. Yes, I don't know what's happening. Number one is living room, right? Right?
Yes, yes.
The other one, is there a living room? No, no, no. The
There's a big
television.
kitchen. No, is there a big kitchen?
Okay. The other one, how
Is
many?
is television?
And the
The
other one,
other, how many?
the other two of
Uh,
us.
yes, the last shopping center.
Okay. I don't know what was wrong, but now it's okay. My goodness, but I did it in that way. Because I remember that I changed big kitchen because it was in the third place. But if we
Yeah,
already fixed it, it's okay. So I am going to take the screenshot with your permission, and
okay,
I'm going to send you to the your WhatsApp group. Okay.
okay,
Okay. So now we can continue with the with your interview. So, but I am going to send you to a breakup room to avoid to interrupt Raquel. Okay.
okay,
Raquel, you will be alone some minutes. We are going to take the test, okay? Okay. So there are interview questions, but don't worry, they are not difficult. You already practiced. Just try to use as much tenses as you can. Remember all that we studied in this 3 courses, okay? So the first one is this one. How did you hear about this position?
okay. So I did hear this about position on the social mm, media. So for me, is the best way and find new jobs. So it's really, really important because we use the social media and yeah, it's it's cool. And the position is really good for me because it's my career, and I maybe I will uh, work with you, and I promise you give all for me in the position.
Okay, give me a second. I'm going to send you the other one. This is just one.
Okay, my uh, greatest strength uh, is that I learn fast. Yeah, because I love learn to new technologies or new something. So for me, it's important because in this environment uh, is in constant to learn different technologies. So in this moment, I learn maybe one programming language, but maybe the next month or 5 years, maybe create other programming language or other library or framework, and I need to learn this new technology. So I prefer in this moment learn fast because it's important in different uh, works. So for me, it's my great strength, but in my weakness, maybe I forget maybe uh, something. I don't know. Maybe you said me, Irving, you need to uh, cut her. So I say you, yeah, okay, tomorrow. So I forget maybe the promise you uh, uh, cut, cut my hair. So it's my weakness. So I work in this moment, and I don't forget maybe uh, the, the promise or maybe uh, something. So in my case, my strength uh, is I learn fast, and my weakness I forget maybe something. Uh, yeah.
Okay, and the last one. Remember to give the correct intonation, okay? I want to feel
Okay.
the energy that you want to be here, okay?
Okay. ORM is an interpreter of different programming language or frameworks. Okay. In example, I use Eloquent or Query Builder and create the new structure of SQL queries. And I use with different frameworks in this moment with Laravel, with PHP. So ORM is a interpreter, and I connect the database and the application. I I don't use the query structure. The ORM is the best interpreter, and the ORM maybe is 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 easy because I don't use the query structure because the ORM maybe create all the query. So for me, it's important maybe learn Eloquent or Query Builder because are the interpreter of the frameworks, in this case Laravel. So it's for me the best plugin of Laravel.
Okay, and how do you have experience using ORM?
Yes, I have experience using ORM in this moment. The application, my team use a query builder because it's fast. Yeah, the connection and maybe create the code of of the application. So yeah, I use ORM and the plugin. So I use in this moment Query Builder.
Okay, thank you. So I don't know, but I couldn't hear a lot of tenses here. I just hear simple present and in simple past. So try to mix more tenses because this will help you to sound more natural. And also, you have pet words. Do you know what's the meaning of pet words? Pet words.
No,
That are the words that you repeat and repeat and repeat in a sentence or in a structure. No, sorry, in when you are talking, because you stopped, so you need to fill that blank with something. Got it?
okay.
And you use in that moment or in this moment a lot of times. So if you want,
Yes,
you know that you know,
yes. I repeated in this moment. So
and really, really.
or maybe yeah, really.
So I am not like laughing at you. I am just wanted that you notice that you use it a lot. So maybe use synonyms for these words. You can use right now, uh, right now, now. There are a lot of synonyms or phrases that you can use instead of in this moment. Okay. Of course, if you
Okay,
forget the other words, you can use in this moment, because if not, you will forget. But um, please try to avoid these words because you have a lot of vocabulary. But if you use these ones, you can sound like you don't have a lot of vocabulary. Okay, so that's all.
okay, teacher.
We're going to come back. I don't know if Raquel is here. I think no, but
Raquel, typing on WhatsApp and say, and she say, I haven't finished my exam.
okay. We are going to come back, okay? Thank you, Irving.
Okay, thank you, teacher.
Okay. Irving, I know that you already finished the platform that you took the test. So everything is okay. If you want to leave the meeting right now, it's okay. I am just waiting for Raquel to take her the oral test, the verbal test. So if you want to leave the meeting right now, it's okay. And I want to thank to say thank you because you are very persistent and that help us to achieve what we want. So thank you to be here every single day and because I feel that you really want to be here, you really want to learn, you really want to achieve your goals, you want to be a very good programmer. So I think you will do it. You are very persistent, and just don't forget to practice English, to put the energy, the correct energy, and everything will be okay. I really believe that you will achieve your goals.
Thank you, teacher, for all for taught me your knowledge. So thank you for share uh, your English. So thank you so much, and maybe I see you. Uh, I don't know. Uh, in other situations. So thank you so much, teacher. I
Yes,
appreciate it.
yes, thank you. I appreciate it, and I really enjoyed to be your teacher. You are a very good and excellent student.
Thank you, teacher. You are my best teacher. In
Thank you.
hey,
Thank
teacher.
you.
And so, um, thank you for all, teacher.
You know, it's my pleasure. So if you want to leave the meeting, it's okay. If
Hey,
if you
teacher.
want to stay here, it's okay also.
Oh,
Okay. Thank
hello.
you.
Sorry for being late.
Don't worry, Juan.
I very busy.
Yes, I know it. You're moving. Juan, we are just taking the test. If you haven't, no, you took the test, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Uh, if I don't know, Raquel, you already finished or you haven't finished yet?
No, I haven't finished yet.
Okay, because in that case, I am going to take Juan, the verbal test first, and then when you finish, if we have time, during the class, I am going to take you the test. If not,
Okay.
I am going to send you the questions for you to send me an audio, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so Juan, I'm going to send you a breakup room to
Okay.
don't interrupt Raquel. And we are going to have like a short interview. Don't worry, they are easy questions. So please join. And
Okay.
Raquel, I am going to come back. And if you are ready, we are going to take the test, okay? Hello.
Oh, hello.
Okay, they are like interviews job questions. So they will be easy, but remember you have to put or to try to use all the tenses that you learned in this course, in these 3 courses. So
Okay.
don't worry, you will do it okay. I am going to share with you the first question, okay, in the chat.
Okay. Okay.
So how do you hear about this position, sir?
Oh, well, I hear it about you from a friend. He he's tell me he's told me that there is some vacancies at your company. Then I decide to apply it, and that is the way that I knew this position that are open.
Okay, thank you. Next question. they are two in one, okay?
Okay.
So, sir, what is your greatest strength and your greatest weakness?
Oh, well, I guess that one of my great strengths is the 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 discipline and the manner how I can manage my auto learning. So I guess that this is one of my greatest strengths. Um, and about my weakness, my greatest weakness is I I'm not very communicative with other uh, people in a team. That is a point that I need to fix. Um, well, I guess that is all. Oh,
Thank you. I am going to ask you a question related to the bootcamp, okay? If you don't know how to answer it, search for after the class, after this interview, search for the answers. If you can answer it, it's okay. If not, I'm going to ask you another question.
okay.
So, what are the three types of design pattern best known?
Well, as I know, is creational patterns, structural patterns, and um, comportamiento. I don't know how to say. Sorry, I forgot it. That's last. I really I don't know how to say comportamiento. I forgot it now.
Behavior, but I
But
don't
yes.
know. But in this area of the bootcamp, I don't know what it's the correct translation.
Okay. Well. Um. Uh, um. Let me a second. Oh yeah, it's rational patterns, structural patterns, and behavior patterns. I forgot the behavior. Yes.
Okay. I'm going to ask you another question. Okay, don't worry. Give me a second.
Okay.
How do you deal with pressure or stressful situations?
Oh well. When in my last job, when I was under stress, on the stressful situations, I trying to focus on the tasks that my boss requests me. So I I I trying to not falling down in the and in this in the pressure of finishing a job or task soon as possible, because it's important to take some other things in consideration before you finish some task or job as a safety, personal safety. um, you you need to ensure that all things that you do are made in accordance with your boss requirement. You need to recheck by item everything you do to finish that task. And for sometimes I become angry because there was a little time for complete tasks or job from my bosses require me. So in that case, I try to to reach my boss and get a meeting and try to balance this situation, talking about the time that about, that is important in when you get getting when you do a job, and also the quality, safety by which this process of make your job is affecting the end result of this requirement.
Okay, thank
That's
you.
all.
Okay. Sorry. Your greatest weakness related to English, it's your fluency.
Okay.
Sorry.
Yes.
Because
I taking this interview many times. Yes. And that's my problem now is the fluid.
yes,
That is my problem, and I accept it.
yes, it's your fluency, and it's because you are thinking Spanish. Why? Because you are not practicing enough. So if you
Yes.
practice more, you won't stop to think first in Spanish, and then you are going to start to do it like naturally. So you have, I would say, you have not a lot of vocabulary, but you have in maybe because you are thinking Spanish first, you are thinking after in which word it's like the translation of this word. So maybe because of that, you are taking a lot of time. So maybe try to practice more, because this you will fix it just practicing, okay? And just
Yes. Yes, I agree, really. I trying to practice, but
okay. Oh, and just one thing. instead of say, I guess that are my greatest strengths, you can say, I believe, because you are make me you sound like
Okay.
more short, okay? With more
Okay.
confidence.
Okay.
Okay, so just that.
Okay.
We can come back to our main station, and then I will have the interview with Raquel, okay? So
Okay.
that's all.
I
Yes.
don't know if Raquel is not okay. Oh well. Oh. Oh, hello, teacher. I don't know
So
if Raquel maybe she need uh, work with in group or
no, no,
to
no, it's
to to do
like
the exam. Oh,
no,
okay,
just
okay,
like you and me talking alone. So if you need to leave the
okay,
meeting,
okay,
Juan, it's okay. Thank you for being here. Thank you for your
okay,
participation, and thank you for your
okay. Thank
time,
you for
okay?
you.
My
Okay,
pleasure. Bye, Juan.
bye.
Hello, Raquel. So sorry, the last interview took a lot of time, but I don't know if you want to take the verbal test right now, or if you prefer to do it in an audio, because I know it's kind of late and I don't know if you have any other things to do.
It's okay right now.
Okay, so we are just we're alone, so I'm going to send you in the chat the first question. Remember, you have to use as many tenses as you remember or as you can, okay? Give details, and if you are ready, we can start.
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, so good morning, Raquel. How did you heard about this position?
What position?
The position of which you are applying. Oh, forget it.
Um,
This is an interview job, and also I am going to take this interview to have to take the test, the verbal test. So it's supposed you are in an interview right now. Okay.
I am interested in this position because I know I will learn so much of you, because some task will be new things for me, and I know I have the abilities to do it. So I am motivated with start to work with your team.
Thank you, Miss Gabriela. Sorry, my goodness, how can I change your name a lot of time? Okay, sorry, this is your other question. Just give me a second. So, Miss Mendoza, what is your greatest strength and your greatest weakness?
My greatest strength is is my inner interest for learn new things. I am a very curious person and I like to share information about new things. And my strength, weakness, mm, I think it can be insecurity because sometimes I get confused about how people tell me information, and sometimes I get it literally and they say things in another sense and I get confused about, but I I put my effort on it.
Okay, excellent. So I have like a software question. If you cannot answer, I am going to send you another question. Don't worry. What is the functionality of vendor? If you cannot answer it right now, it's okay, and I am going to send you another question.
The only thing I know about vendor is a part of Laravel and um, when I'm doing an API for an app, um, I need this folder to start programming in an API app. So it, in this moment, it is the only thing I know about.
Okay, don't worry. So I'm going to send you another question. Oh, just give me a second. I am going to stop the recording, but because it is taking a lot of time and to avoid that the video
Okay.
extends a lot. So give me a second.